In this video, I will show you how to pick at an object with hands. First of all, let's create a ground. Right-click, 3D object. Let's take a plane. I will sketch it a little bit large. 10. Here we will need a player. Player will be representing us. So let's search here. OVR player. And drag this and dot here. Here it already contains a OVR camera, so we don't need the main camera, so you can delete it. And here add component and search for camera character camera constraint, and here camera read, drag over camera read and drag here, and check enable collision. And I will give my player radius 0.3. Okay. And in camera read, and here instead of eye level, choose floor level. Now let's create a table. Now let's create an object to grab. Now we will create a sun color for object. So right-click your asset folder, create new folder and name it material. And right-click material folder and create material. Here name the color red. You can create the color you like. And drag the color and apply it to the object. Now we will need sun hands to pick at the object. So here search over So here search custom hands. And here drag custom hand left into custom hand anchor. And for right, and now we need to apply some script. So click on the object and add component. Here search over graphical. And click right hand anchor and add OVR grapher. I check use and gravity. And check parent hair object. And here grid transform. Drag left controller anchor and drag into it. And here we will need sun collider. So go to custom hand left. See grad volume big and grad volume small. Here in grad volume, choose side 2 and then drag grad volume big and small. Okay. And choose controller. For left hand, choose controller and attach. And in player, OVR player. So do the same for the right hand anchor. Now save and we will run. Sorry, I forgot to add rigid body. Select sphere and add component rigid body. Okay. Now let's run again. Okay, now we can grab an object and draw it. See you in next video.